Hi, greetings and welcome to Dapur Shaila.
Hi everyone! Today I'm going to make two varieties of ribbon murke. The original, which is easy to make, and those who love spicy murke. Try my hot and spicy version to satisfy your taste buds. Let's begin.
We can choose any brand of murku flour. Today I will be using Baba's Spicy Murku Mix. This mix is already slightly spicy but still mild in my opinion. The first step is we empty the contents into a bowl. I am using only half a packet and saving the other half for the spicy version. Add cold water a little at a time and mix evenly with the flour. We keep on adding water and mix until it forms a smooth consistency like this. This is the ribbon murku mold. Drop it into the press and make sure it's firmly placed. By using the back of a spoon, scrape some dough and drop into the press. Just about 3/4 full. In a wok, we first heat about 2 liters of oil and drop a lump of tamarind. This will reduce the oil absorption as we fry the murku. We need to squeeze all the contents of the press into the oil in one go. Fry for a few minutes until it turns into golden brown and flip it and fry the other side. At this point, we can remove the tamarind. Remove the murku and drain the excess oil once both sides are done. We have to keep it aside to cool for a while, then gently break it into smaller pieces. Now for the spicy version, we need to add a few ingredients into the flour. One tablespoon of chili powder, and for this paste, we blend half-inch ginger, 2 cloves of garlic and 2 shallots, and 1 spoon of melted butter. Mix everything just like before. I prefer to use hands because it's easier to break the lumps. Add cold water little at a time and mix to form a fine dough. We can see now that the dough has a slightly deeper red color. Once it's all mixed, the rest of the process is the same. If you are new to this channel, please take a few moments to subscribe and press the bell icon to get my latest recipes. Fry 2 stalks of curry leaves until crispy and add it to the murukku. Sprinkle 2 tablespoons of dry chili flakes and mix everything together. Once done, store it in an airtight container and it will last for more than a month. But with my family, it's all gone in a few hours. That's today's recipe. I hope you have enjoyed watching. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the latest videos, and also like, comment and share.